Hello everybody, and today we are actually gonna do the last experiment, and I'm with Gwen again. So these are the ingredients we need. It's a very simple experiment. The 2 glasses of water and 1 peeled orange and not peeled. So first we'll put the peeled orange inside this. Guess what? It sunk. Let's put the next one.
It sank, ah.
It sank. Wow. This one floats. That's interesting. If I pull this, what will happen? It sinks.
No, remove your hand.
Oopsie, I will remove
It still floats, right?
Yep,
Mm.
when I take it off, it still floats alright. The peeled orange sank, but the orange with the peel floated. This is because the peel is porous and it's filled with tiny air pockets. These air pockets help increase the buoyancy of the orange.
Wow.
So that's all for today. Bye.